Hey everybody, Shahid Akhtar here. We all love that feeling of security when we're at home, right? It's our sanctuary, but sometimes things happen that can make us feel a little vulnerable. That's why I'm stoked to share some super simple and affordable home security hacks that can give you peace of mind without breaking the bank. We're talking about practical tips and tricks that anyone can use to level up their home security game. Let's jump right in. This first hack is so simple, you're gonna love it. It involves something you probably have in your kitchen right now, aluminum foil. Just tear off a sheet and wrap it tightly around your doorknob before you go to bed or head out. If someone tries to sneak in while you're gone, the foil will make a crinkling sound that should scare them off. Plus, you'll be able to see if the foil's been disturbed when you get back. Okay, this next one is even easier than the foil trick. Grab a sturdy mug or glass from your cupboard. You want something that'll make a good clatter if it falls. Carefully balance it on your doorknob, making sure it's stable. If someone tries to open the door, bam! Down goes the mug, creating a racket and hopefully sending the intruder running. For a few bucks, you can pick up some battery-powered door and window alarms. These little gadgets are super easy to install, just peel and stick. When the alarm is triggered, it lets out a loud shriek, which is usually enough to send any unwanted guests running for the hills. Chapter 4. Light 'em up. Motion-activated security. Intruders love the dark, so let's shed some light on the situation, literally. Motion-activated lights are your new best friend. Install them around your property, especially near entrances and dark corners. The second someone steps into range, BAM! The lights flick on, scaring the bejesus out of any potential bad guys. Chapter 5. Reinforce your defenses, doors and windows. Let's face it, doors and windows can be vulnerable points, but you can easily beef up their security. Doorstop alarms are a great, inexpensive option. They wedge under your door and sound an alarm if someone tries to force it open. For extra security, consider installing security bars on windows and sliding doors.
First of all, what went through my mind is how stupid am I to actually...
Chapter 6. Keep a virtual eye out, security cameras and smart doorbells. Okay, this one's a bit more techie, but hear me out. Inexpensive security cameras and smart doorbells have become so mainstream, they're practically a steal these days. You can monitor your home from your phone, getting alerts if there's any suspicious activity. Plus, you can even talk to whoever's at the door through the smart doorbell, even if you're miles away. Chapter 7. Lock down your digital life. Don't forget about digital security. It's just as important as physical security these days. Make sure you're using strong, unique passwords for all your online accounts, and enable two-factor authentication whenever you can. It adds an extra layer of protection by requiring a code from your phone in addition to your password. Chapter 8. Webcam cover and Wi-Fi security. Here's a quick one. Cover your webcam when you're not using it. A piece of tape or a dedicated webcam cover will do the trick. And last but not least, make sure your Wi-Fi network is secure. Use a strong, unique password that's not easy to guess. You don't want any unwanted guests snooping around your network. And there you have it. 8 simple and affordable home security hacks that can make a big difference. Remember, you don't need to spend a fortune to improve your home security. A little ingenuity and a few simple precautions can go a long way. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button. It really helps the channel grow. Also, subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you never miss an update.